There's no better time to make chocolate oatmeal no-bake cookies than Christmas. Well, actually, I could make them all the time. I make them quite often. We're starting out with a medium-sized pan. You're going to add 2 cups of sugar and 3 heaping tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa. I have this recipe memorized, and this is just my version of it. Okay, and I like to go ahead and mix that in and blend that sugar and cocoa together, and then we're going to add 3/4 stick of butter. Add a 1/2 cup of milk. And don't turn that stovetop eye or that burner on just yet. Go ahead and mix this together, and then turn your stovetop eye on to low, and you're going to stir and stir and stir. You want this to come to a full rolling boil, and once it reaches that point, you are going to stop stirring this and let it boil in a rolling boil for 1 minute. This will ensure that your cookies will harden. Now, once it reaches that full rolling boil and it's boiled for 1 minute, then we are going to add the peanut butter. And this is where I guess at it. Most recipes will say a 1/2 cup of peanut butter, but I add up to a cup of peanut butter. This just makes those cookies taste much more moist. Let's go ahead and stir that in. Turn your stovetop eye off or your burner, and you can move this aside if you want to, but you've got to work quickly. So I'm putting 2 cups of oats in this, and then I'm going to set that other cup aside. So you're going to need a total of 3 cups of oats, and that is quick oats. Go ahead and stir that. After 2 cups, incorporating those oats into that chocolate, and then add your other cup. Again, working quickly, and just stir that in. And you just want to stir this until you've covered all the oats. And then get ready, because this recipe hardens quickly. You got to work quickly. So I'm just going to drop these down with a teaspoon right onto my trays. These trays are perfect for this. And if you don't own trays or something like that to drop them on, you can just drop them on parchment paper. And voila, these are ready to serve, and y'all know these are good.